crow's nest!
This map shows the location of the self-serve laundry on Deck 2 that is highlighted in this video. Additional locations are listed at the end of the video. The laundry is midship across from room 2367, and it's on the starboard side. There's not a lot of room in here. It is pretty compact. In addition to the washing machines and dryers, there's an ironing board and iron, and a sink for rinsing out items. The washers and dryers are each $3.50 per load. Use your sale and sign card for payment. Small boxes of detergent and softener are available for $2 per box. My advice, bring your own detergent and softener.